Greetings, friends. Today, I want to share something important with you. Many people are struggling to manifest the life they desire, constantly feeling like they have to try harder, put in more effort, or do something extraordinary to make their dreams a reality. But I'm here to tell you, it's already yours. The very things you seek are waiting for you to claim them. Manifestation is not about forcing or striving. It's about recognizing that what you desire is already part of your inner world, ready to be made manifest in your outer world. The key is understanding that the world you experience is a reflection of your inner thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. What you hold within your heart and mind is what you will see reflected in your life. Think about it for a moment. When you want something, you're not really chasing it, are you? You're not trying to go after something that doesn't belong to you. No, you are simply aligning with what is already yours, what already exists in the depths of your consciousness. The law of attraction isn't about pulling things toward you, it's about recognizing that what you desire is already there within you, waiting to be brought into your experience. We've all been taught that success and happiness come through hard work and constant striving, but the truth is, this constant hustle only keeps you further away from what you want. Struggling to manifest is a sign that you don't yet understand the simple truth. What you desire is already yours, and the only thing standing in the way is the belief that you have to work hard to get it. When you let go of the idea that you have to struggle, something incredible happens. You begin to see the ease in which things flow. You stop pushing against life and start allowing it to unfold naturally. The more you trust that what you seek is already yours, the more you begin to see it appear in your life, effortlessly and beautifully. Manifestation is not about force. It's about focus. It's about aligning your thoughts with the reality you wish to experience, but without the pressure to make it happen. When you focus on what you desire with a relaxed, calm mind, you begin to tap into the power of creation. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your assumptions shape your reality. And when you truly know that something is already yours, you no longer need to force it to come to you, you simply allow it to reveal itself in your life. One of the biggest misconceptions about manifestation is that you need to constantly think about what you want, repeating affirmations endlessly, or visualizing every day. While these techniques can help you focus, it's not about obsessing over the outcome. It's about knowing, deep down, that it's already done. It's already in your hands. The moment you shift from trying to manifest something to knowing that it's already yours, you start living in a state of trust and confidence. Let me share a secret: the universe doesn't need your effort to bring your desires to fruition. All that is needed is your belief. Your inner world is the source of all that you experience, and it is through your belief and assumption that you manifest your reality. It is not the quantity of your effort that matters, but the quality of your belief. Think of your mind as a garden. If you keep planting seeds of doubt, fear, and resistance, then that's what you'll grow. But if you plant seeds of faith, belief, and trust, the manifestation of your desires becomes inevitable. The process isn't about working hard to plant every seed yourself, it's about trusting that the garden will grow as it should, with you simply tending to it with love and belief. So, how do you stop trying so hard? First, begin by understanding that you are not separate from what you desire. You are not chasing something outside of yourself. Instead, recognize that what you want is already within you. This is the key to unlocking your manifestation, knowing that you are already one with your desires. Let go of the fear that what you want is too far away, or that you are not worthy of it. These are limiting beliefs that create resistance. The moment you let go of these fears, you release the blocks that are standing in your way. When you stop resisting and start allowing, things begin to flow freely into your life. It's also important to stop thinking that you need to know exactly how your desires will unfold. Too often, people spend time worrying about the details, trying to figure out how they will get what they want, when it will happen, and where it will come from. But the truth is, you don't need to know how. You simply need to trust that the universe, or whatever you believe in, will bring it to you in the perfect way at the perfect time. Trying to control the process only creates unnecessary stress and blocks the flow of abundance. Manifestation is about allowing things to unfold naturally. When you trust that the universe is always working in your favor, you begin to see evidence of this in your life. It may not come in the form you expect, but when you are open to the unexpected, you allow the universe to surprise you in the best possible ways. Manifesting is not a task that requires you to work tirelessly for hours each day. It is a natural process that flows with ease and you align yourself with your desires. Imagine how much easier life would be if you let go of the need to try so hard. Imagine the peace that comes with knowing that everything you desire is already within reach, and all you need to do is trust in the process. Another important shift in mindset is to stop thinking of manifestation as something you have to do. Instead, view it as something you allow. The power is within you, and all you have to do is release any resistance and trust that the universe will respond to the vibration you are sending out. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. The more you focus on what you want, the more you send out that energy into the world. But it's not about focusing on it obsessively, it's about having a calm, clear belief that what you desire is already yours. When you align with this belief, the universe cannot help but reflect it back to you. You don't need to struggle, and you don't need to fight for your dreams. The world has been set up in such a way that all you need to do is recognize your connection to everything you desire. The more you acknowledge that what you seek is already yours, the faster it will come to you. One of the most liberating things you can do for yourself is to release the idea that manifestation is a struggle. It's not. The more relaxed you are about your desires, the quicker they will come to you. It's not a race, and there's no need to rush. Take a deep breath, trust the process, and know that the universe is always working in your favor. The next time you catch yourself struggling to manifest, take a step back. Recognize that you're already one with your desires, and all that is required is your belief. Stop trying so hard. Instead, allow yourself to relax into the flow of life. The things you desire are already on their way to you, and the more you trust, the faster they will appear. As you start to let go of the need to control the process and the outcome, you will find that manifestation becomes easier, more natural, and more effortless. Trust that the universe is always working on your behalf, and remember, what you desire is already yours. In conclusion, manifestation is not about effort, it's about alignment. The moment you stop struggling and start trusting, you will see the doors to your desires open up in ways you never imagined. So, stop trying so hard. Recognize that what you seek is already within you, and allow the universe to bring it into your experience. Your desires are already on their way, trust and relax into the process. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to show your support by liking this video. By doing so, you'll be helping others discover these insights and join in on the conversation. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss out on more wisdom that can support you in manifesting the life you deserve. I also encourage you to share this video with someone you care about who might benefit from hearing these ideas. Let them know that their desires are not far off, they're already within reach. You have the power to create the life you want by simply trusting that it's already yours. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now to stay updated on all the valuable content coming your way. It's easy to get distracted by external circumstances or to feel like things aren't moving in the right direction. But I want you to realize that the outside world is simply reflecting what you believe inside. When you let go of resistance and the need to control every detail, you make space for your desires to come to you in a way that is aligned with your true self. So many people spend time worrying about how things will unfold. They constantly check if their manifestations are happening yet, and wonder if they're doing something wrong. But in reality, this is only creating more pressure and delaying the outcome. When you stop looking for signs or evidence that things are happening, you free yourself from the fear of not seeing immediate results.